In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save file offline in Google Drive. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to googledrive.com and make sure you are already logged into your account. At the top right corner, click the settings gear icon, then click settings from the drop-down menu. This will open your Drive settings. Stay on the General tab, then scroll down until you find the offline section. Check the box that says Create, Open, and Edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files on this device while offline. This enables offline access for your Google files. Make sure you are using Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge and confirm that the Google Docs offline extension is installed. Otherwise, this feature will not work properly. Now go back to your Google Drive, locate the file you want to save offline, right-click on a Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides file, then click Make Available Offline. Once selected, wait a moment until a small checkmark icon appears next to the file name, indicating it is ready for offline use. If you want to enable offline access for multiple files, hold Control on your keyboard, then click each file one by one. After selecting them, right-click and choose Make Available Offline so all selected files are saved locally. Now for non-Google files like PDFs or images, open File Explorer on your computer. Navigate to your Google Drive folder, usually labeled as Google Drive. Inside that folder, locate the file or folder you want. Right-click on it, hover over Offline Access, then click Available Offline. This will download a local copy to your device. If you select an entire folder, any new files added to that folder will also be saved offline automatically. Next, go to your system tray at the bottom right corner of your screen and click the Google Drive icon. Click the play button to make sure syncing is active and up to date. To test everything, turn off your Wi-Fi connection, then try opening one of your offline files. It should open instantly in your browser or its respective app. Any changes you make while offline will be saved locally and will automatically sync back to Google Drive once your internet connection is restored. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.